Hello.
Goodbye.
An egg. An apple. A sandwich. Bread. Milk. Coffee.
The children are not writing. The woman is not driving. The woman is not driving. The adults are cooking. The children are writing. The adults are not cooking. The woman is driving.
What is this? This is a cat. What is this? This is a bicycle. A boy and a man. A sandwich and milk. A girl and a woman.
The dog. Running. The dog is running. The dog. Running. The dog is not running. The boys. Water. The boys have water. The boys. Water. The boys do not have water. A bicycle. A dog. A car. A horse. A newspaper. A cat.
Is she reading a newspaper? No. Is she reading a book? Yes.